Hey everyone, if you're running an online business, you know how many tools you need just to make everything work together. Things like sales page, email marketing, product delivery, checkout systems, membership area, and even analytics. It can be confusing and expensive to manage all these tools separately. That's why platforms like Kartra are becoming popular. They claim to combine everything you need in one place. But is Kartra really worth it? Today we are going to review how Kartra works, what features it offers, and whether it is a good choice for your online business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description if you want to try Kartra. By using the description link, any free trial or a special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. So what exactly is Kartra? In simple word, Kartra is an all-in-one business platform. Instead of using separate tools for your sales page, checkout, email marketing, membership site, and automation, Kartra brings all of them together under one roof. This means you don't have to switch between different software or worry about integrations that sometimes break. Everything works inside Kartra, which makes it easier to manage your online sales funnel from start to finish. One of the most talked about feature in Kartra is its drag and drop page builder. If you are creating sales page, landing page or opt-in forms, Kartra gives you template that you can customize without any coding. For example, if you want a page to capture email address for your newsletter, you can start with a template. You can edit it, you can edit the text, images, buttons to match your brand, and the visual editor makes it simple for beginners because everything is easy to change and look professional. Kartra also includes an email marketing system. This means you can build your email list, you can send the broadcast, and set up the automated email sequences all inside the Kartra. For example, when someone signs up on your landing page, you can automatically send them a welcome email, follow up sequence, or even a cart abandonment if they leave without purchasing. These automations help you to stay connected with your audience without doing everything manually. Another important part of Kartra is the checkout and payment system. If you are selling a course, digital product, or subscription, Kartra allows you to create checkout pages with multiple payment options. You can accept payments through the Stripe or PayPal. You can set up the one-time purchases or offer the payment plans. The system also lets you create upsell, downsells, and order bumps. These are special offers shown at the checkout that can increase your revenue. Kartra also includes membership site features. This means you can host online courses, training portals, or private content area inside Kartra without needing a separate platform. You can control access, drip content over time, and organize lessons inside a structured member area. This is especially useful if you sell courses or subscription programs and want everything in one system. Let's talk about automation and tagging. Kartra allows you to create complex rules based on the customer behavior. For example, if a customer clicks a link in an email but doesn't purchase, you can tag them and send a different follow-up sequence. This kind of automation make your funnel more intelligent and help guide your audience toward the purchase without you doing it manually. Over time, this can save you hours of repetitive work. However, some people find Kartra's pricing a bit high compared to using separate tools. Because Kartra includes so many features, the monthly cost can seem larger than using a single tool like only an email platform or only a landing page builder. But if you use many business tools, and total cost may balance out since you don't have to pay for each and a separate tool. Another thing to consider is that Kartra's interface has a lot of features, and it may take a little time for beginners to learn where everything is. There is a learning curve, but once you understand the layout, it becomes easier to use. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. I hope this video helped you to understand better about Kartra, like what the platform does, whether it could be worth to using for your online business or not. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel for more honest reviews and tutorials, and don't forget to use link from description, so any free trial or a special offer that will be applied automatically when you use the link. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.